Hi friends, Joel here. Welcome back. Do you like eggnog? I love eggnog, but I'm always skeptical about those store-bought because sometimes they're just not very good. Well, this recipe is creamy, it's delicious, it's Christmas in a cup. Let's get to it. Alright, let's get this started. In a large bowl, you will whisk 6 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar. You're going to whisk until light, thick and fluffy. Make sure you whisk it well. Once it's done, just set aside. In a saucepan, you're going to combine 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Whisk those ingredients together and bring to a simmer. We're going to temper the eggs by slowly adding the hot milk mixture into the eggs. Whisk constantly while pouring the hot milk mixture. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan. Cook over low heat, stirring frequently. Continue mixing frequently with the wooden spoon until the mixture begins to thicken slightly and it coats the back of the spoon or until it reaches 160 degrees. After removing from the heat, strain the mixture. Then you're going to stir in the vanilla extract. You can also add 1/4 of a cup of cognac, whiskey, bourbon, rum, whatever your flavor. Pour the eggnog into a pitcher, bottle, or other container and chill in the refrigerator until ready to serve for at least 2 hours. Alright, so it's been in the refrigerator for 3 hours. So nice and cold. I'm gonna take a sip. Smells good. Oh my god, this is so good. It's creamy, it's custardy, it's Christmas in a cup. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and please subscribe, but most importantly, don't forget to treat yourself to a little goodness.